First tonight, giving vaccines to babies without a license, new legal troubles for Hacienda Healthcare. And that's where our coverage begins tonight. Thanks for joining us for ABC 15 News at 6. I'm Justin Pizzera.
And I'm Allison Rodriguez. Hacienda Healthcare facing some very serious new allegations that they have been operating unlicensed clinics here in the Valley and all across Arizona. The State Department of Health telling us they just found out about these clinics in February. The clinics were called Los Niños Synergis. And according to Hacienda's website, they focused on vaccinations for infants.
ABC 15's John Treeweiler is live outside one of those clinics in Phoenix. Good evening, John.
Yeah, good evening, Justin and Allison. This is certainly alarming. In fact, one family I had the chance to speak with this afternoon telling us they are just shocked, and frankly, they called this whole thing wild to learn that the clinic their daughter was going to for health care was not licensed by the state. Now, Arizona Department of Health Services, like you mentioned, they did confirm to us that they were made aware of these clinics, which were owned by Hacienda Healthcare. They were operating without licenses. They did determine that, in fact, all of these clinics did need licenses to operate. We also learned today through an anonymous source that is close to Hacienda Healthcare, that person telling ABC 15 that medications at these clinics were also sometimes misused. For example, if a patient was given 30 milligrams of a 60 milligram vial of medication, they would save that remaining 30 milligrams and use it for another patient. Now, DHS tells us that Hacienda has since applied for licenses at all 5 of these clinics. They operate in Arizona. 2 of the clinics have actually already been granted licenses. They tell us that those other 3 clinics, they are scheduled to be surveyed in July. Upon successful completion of that survey, they could be granted licenses. We're live in Phoenix tonight. I'm John Treeweiler, ABC 15, Arizona.